This is the Autoglym instant tyre dressing. I'm just going to do a quick demonstration, so I'm going to put it on the brush. Excuse me, I'm going to let that dry off, back in a moment. Okay, so that's been put on. You can see the difference. Left it to dry for about 15 minutes. There we go. So that's the Autoglym instant tyre dressing. I'll put it on with a brush because saves doing a lot of cleaning up. If you get it on the sort of the wheel or wheel trim, or you don't want to get it on the brake disc or anything like that, or the caliper. There we go. So that's what the end result looks like. That's on a dry tyre. I always find if you put it on a wet tyre it goes on a bit easier, but it just dries a bit sort of satin, sort of dull. If this video's helped you out in any way, please consider subscribing. Thumbs up or thumbs down, any support would be much appreciated. Thank you.